Hello everyone, it's me Sato again from Low Cosplay, and today I'm gonna announce the winner from the 1000 subscribers giveaway. This is for a cosplay print, and yeah, so let's take a look at the lucky wheel who's gonna be the winner of this. So here are all the participants of the giveaway, and let's see who is the lucky winner. And it is Replicant Props 1981. Congrats! I gonna comment under the last video that you have won, and then you can send me on Instagram your shipping informations and what you actually want as a prize. So thanks again to all of you for over 1000 subscribers now, and I hope you are ready for the incoming videos that I'm currently working on in the future. It's a lot of Devil May Cry, so stay tuned for this, and I'm currently working on the Netflix Dante one. It's coming along quite well, so stay tuned for this in the future, and I see you in the next video. Have a great day, and I'm out.